Well, in Palm Beach, Florida, commemorated the one-year anniversary of Hurricane Maria's direct hit on Puerto Rico. And to protest the U.S. response, there was dancing, as you saw, and flying flags in tribute and remembrance. Many people talking about loved ones in Puerto Rico who are still recovering and rebuilding.
Still struggling, still trying to help each other out in the neighborhood, but they're better than they were at first.
And they are also demanding more aid from Congress and the Trump administration to the storm-ravaged country to get the message across. They also paraded this baby Trump blimp. The number of deaths from Hurricane Maria has reached 3,000 people. The victims remembered yesterday with candles, and this one a message: with God in front of us, we move forward.